Hi friends. Today's recipe is going to be absolutely amazing, because we're making a delicious Aloo Papdi Fulki Chaat, and I'll also be sharing 4 tasty dressings that everyone loves, kids and adults alike smiling face with hard eyes. If you enjoy street-style chaat recipes, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update bell. Now, let's get started. First, take some boiled potatoes and cut them into small bite-sized pieces. Next, take papdi and fulki, golgappa. If the fulki is store-bought, soak it in water for a few minutes to make it soft. Now, add the fulki, papdi, and potatoes into a bowl. After that, add finely chopped onions. For the creamy dressing, heavy checkmark, take 1 cup of yogurt. Heavy checkmark, add a little fresh cream. Heavy checkmark, mix well until smooth. Now it's time to add flavor. Chaat masala, tamarind chutney, fresh coriander leaves, pomegranate seeds. Mix everything gently, and your Aloo Papdi Fulki Chaat is ready to serve drooling face. This chaat is spicy, tangy, and super flavorful, perfect for parties, evening snacks, or anytime cravings. Everyone will love it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Red heart. See you soon with another exciting recipe.